So what you just saw was this phone lockbox I designed to reduce screen time. So the way it works is you put your phone in, so you open it, you put your phone inside the box, you close it, and then a servo will turn a linear gear system into this slot, locking it, and the slot's attached to the lid. So the linear gear system will go through here, keeping the box locked as long as the timer is set, and then it's another one of my charger gigs. Just a 5-volt charger that I stole and cut the wire to power everything. So, and these buttons, one button will be to increase the timer interval by 30 minutes, reduce the time interval by 30 minutes, and then press play. Or start, start your timer. And once the timer starts, you can't change the time, obviously. So I set it for 2 hours, press start. The box is now locked for 2 hours with my phone in it. Hopefully you put your phone in it. And the reason I built this was because I saw my brother. He bought this like $70. It was like a thing that you use for cooking, but he bought it for the intention of putting his phone in there and reducing the screen time. And I was like, well, that's really cool. I don't have $70 that I want to spend on this phone lockbox, and so using only the parts I had left over in my workshop in this workspace, whatever, from previous projects, I decided to build my own LCD display Arduino Nano servo motor, 3 buttons, 3 printed chassis box, whatever you want to call it, and a little slot for wire to go through. And yeah, it's pretty simple design wise. It actually only took about a week to build and put together and program. And yeah, it's one of my kind of simpler side projects, but I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it could be definitely used to help a lot of people. Had some friends come over while we were studying. We all put our phones in it, locked it, worked pretty well. Um, Helps me to reduce my screen time, and it was definitely a fun project to work on. Let's go ahead and look at the CAD design. It's very simple, this one actually. Literally just a linear gear system, and then the lid. So the lid is just, oh, my apologies. So the lid is just like that. Uh, yeah, so the linear gear system, which would sit here. So you'd have a linear gear right here. You'd have the servo attached to this body, and then you'd have the linear gear system push through out to here through this, attached to the lid. And then when you have the box, it is now locked. Everything's locked because there's a what do you call it? Like a hinge. There's a hinge connecting the lid and the box together. And so once this is the linear gear system is pushed through there, you can no longer open the box. This is where the LCD display and 3 buttons would go. Very simple design, nothing fancy. Designed that in not no time at all. And yeah, it's one of my simpler kind of small projects that I thought I would put into this website and mention. Yeah, I think it as simple as it is, it's still a very cool, kind of neat thing that I thought I could put some light on. And so yeah, that's that. I will put the code as always is on the website. And yeah, contact me if you need any other information to build this, if anyone's interested in building it, or just like about the project in and of itself. And yeah, my contact is also on the website, which is always in the description. So yeah, thank you for watching. Much appreciated.